Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 6 and I'm gonna show you how to set up pin protection on this watch. This could be useful if, for example, you want to prevent other people from accessing your watch basically, or maybe you want to use the payment, the wireless payment on your watch, and you want to protect it with a pin, so you will need to enter the pin to proceed with the payment, or maybe you just want the watch to lock each time you take it off from your wrist, or somebody takes it off from your wrist, for example. Okay, so let's continue. So first we need to open the menu. To do it, wake up the screen, then press the crown button to open the menu. Now find the settings icon and tap on it, of course, to enter the settings. And in settings you need to find the option called pin. And once you find it, tap on it. And here we can tap on set pin and enter the pin we want to use. I'm gonna use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but the app will, or the watch will tell me that the pin is kinda weak, and of course don't use pin like that. I don't recommend it. Use something stronger if you want to protect your watch properly. I'm gonna use it anyway, but like I said before, use something stronger please, because what's the point of the pin protection if it's easy to guess? Anyway, once you set up the pin and you confirm it, you will have the option to choose what it should lock basically. And you have device, it will basically lock the watch completely, or maybe not completely, but basically with the pin, and each time you wake up the screen, or maybe not each time when you wake up the screen. If you take it off from your wrist, or I believe it will also automatically lock if you leave it for some time and it just turns off the screen, you will need to enter the pin to unlock it. And there, the second option is the payment app. Basically, the payment app will be requiring your pin to enter when you try to pay for something to confirm that it's you. So select the, oh my bad, I went back by mistake. So basically select the option you prefer, and for the sake of the video I'm gonna select the device option. Okay, and now the pin is set, and you can tell by the set pin changing to this disable pin, and here we have change pin, pin verification, and auto lock. This option, if it's enabled, each time you take off your watch from your wrist, it will automatically lock your watch. Pin verification is basically you can select or choose what the watch should lock, the device or the payment app. Change pin allows you to change the pin, and disables the pin. Okay, so now let's try to lock the device, turn off the screen and wait a few seconds, and now when we try to unlock it, it's going to be locked with the pin, and we will need to enter the pin to unlock it, like that. And like I said before, to disable the pin, you can simply go to pin settings and then tap on disable, tap on check mark, enter the pin to confirm, and it will be turned off. Okay, and that's how you set up pin protection on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like.